Alright, so let's prove this identity. So to start with, we're going to choose to work with the right hand side. So on the right hand side, we have the square root over 2. We have the cos, or the cot, plus tan. So what do we know about cot? We know that cot is simply cos over sine. And then we know that tan is sine over cos. So this means that if we multiply a cot by a tan, what we're getting here is cos over sine times sine over cos. So this means that sine cancels, cos cancels, this is equals to 1. So cot times tan gives us 1 because they're reciprocals of each other. So now I'm going to write this as, so I'll start with the cot square. That 2 that you see is the same as 2 times 1. Then we have the tan. Now remember, we just established to say 1 is equals to cot times tan. So I will say cot square plus 2. Then this 1 is the same as cot times tan plus tan square. So all this is still under square root. Now I can split the middle part so that we have this. We have cot, then I have cot tan plus cot tan. Because remember, cot tan plus cot tan is equal to cot tan. So I've just separated them. Then this is a tan square. We're still in a big square root. So let's clear up this side. So now, for the first two terms, let's factor out cot. So if I factor out cot, what remains will be cot plus tan. Because remember, I factored out the cot. Then for the other two terms, we can factor out tan. So if I factor out tan, what remains will be cot plus tan, because tan is square there. So it's just tan, not tan square. Okay, still in a square root. So we can now clearly see to say that this bracket and this bracket are the same. So I can factor it out. So if I factor it out, I'll have cot plus tan. The bracket has been factored out. What remains here is a cot. What remains here is a tan. And remember, we're still in the root. Now these two are the same. So this is as good as saying, since they are the same, I'll say cot theta plus tan theta squared, because they're the same. So in our final expression, the square root cancels the square, and the only thing we remain with is cot plus tan. And clearly, this is what we have on the left hand side. So it's proven.